In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it available at the top. Select Open in split screen view and tap on the second one you wish to use. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to change placement of your apps, click on those three dots in the middle and select this icon of two arrows. If you wish to go back from this mode, you need to go back to background apps and swipe both. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!